Mediterranean Hummus. Hummus is a wonderful dip for carrots and celery sticks. A quick and easy appetizer for your parties, but also an energetic snack during the day. Ingredients: 1 can of chickpeas, 1 clove of garlic, about 3 tablespoons of lemon juice or more, 1/4 cup of tahini sauce, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, about 5 tablespoons of water or more, salt. Dressing: a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, black pepper, paprika. Let's get cooking! Rinse well and drain the chickpeas. Remember to reserve a few whole chickpeas for serving. Put the chickpeas in a blender and start to add the ingredients: chopped garlic, the tahini sauce, a part of the lemon juice and a part of the water, 1 tablespoon of oil, a pinch of salt. Blend for at least 10 to 15 seconds, then add the rest of the lemon juice and the oil. Blend the ingredients until you have a smooth cream. Add a little bit more water at any point if the mixture seems too thick. Serve the hummus in a little bowl, topping it with a few whole chickpeas, some extra virgin olive oil, paprika and black pepper. And enjoy it!